Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the SBI Securities Daily Morning Podcast. So, the Indian markets yesterday ended higher with favorable global cues. So, Nifty and the Sensex ended 1.3% higher, while the mid cap index was up 2.5% and the small cap index was up 2.9%. So, relative outperformance by the broader markets as well. Among the major gainers yesterday were ONGC, Coal India, Adani Ports, Bajaj Auto, Tata Steel, Infosys, and L&T. While on the losing side, we had IndusInd Bank, Tech Mahindra, Britannia, HUL, Titan, and Asian Paints. Sectorally, the oil and gas index was the biggest gainer, up 3.8%, followed by the metal index up 3.4%, cap goods index was up 2.9%, and the telecom index was up 2.8%. While there were no major losers, with the bank index up 0.9%. So practically each sector was in the green yesterday. The market breadth, so 2,986 stocks on the advancing side to 947 stocks on the declining side. So very good market breadth. 76 stocks touched 52-week highs yesterday, with Arvind Limited, Bikaji, IEX, Lupin, Nitin Spinners, and Zydus Life Sciences among the major names, while 37 stocks touched 52-week lows, with names such as Equitas Small Finance Bank, IndusInd Bank, Landmark Cars, and Tattvachintan Pharmachem. On the institutional flows side, FIIs were net sellers with a net sell figure of 3,300 crores yesterday, while DIIs provided the liquidity support with a net buy figure of 3,800 crores. Global cues today are negative, with the US market ending lower despite a strong start. All the three major indices selling off from the highs due to profit taking in the second half. The Asian markets are showing a negative opening, and the GIFT Nifty 2 is suggesting a gap down opening for our markets today. The RBI policy meeting outcome is due today at 10 a.m. So Indian markets will closely track the RBI governor's commentary. In terms of key results today, so LIC India, ABB India, Astral, Azad Engineering, Bharat Forge, Birla Corp, Cochin Shipyard, Container Corporation, Aisha Motors, Galaxy Surfactants, as well as a lot of other names will be reporting their numbers today. Among the key results reported yesterday, so Gujarat Pipavav reported a strong set of numbers with EBITDA growth of 40% and margin improvement. So expect a positive opening for Gujarat Pipavav. Godrej Consumer reported a mixed set of numbers, while the headline numbers were largely in line with estimates. However, there was a sharp drop in the Africa business. Welspun Corp also reported strong set of numbers with net profit of 47% YOY. Radico Khaitan also reported strong set of numbers, good numbers from ITD Cementation as well. Lemon Tree reported a weak set of numbers. Balaji Amines too reported weak set of numbers. Decent numbers from Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences. Apollo Tyres again missed estimates, and the raw material cost increase is impacting the tire makers over there. Good numbers from Happy Forgings, decent numbers from Sula Vineyards, and a lot of other result updates were also there, which we'll share later on all the WhatsApp groups. Coming to the stock specific news, so rate sensitive stocks, real estate, auto, as well as banking will be in focus today, as the RBI will announce its interest rate decision today. Godrej Consumer, the board has approved the company's entry into the pet care business, and it will invest 500 crores over 5 years in the pet care business in partnership with the group company Godrej Agrovet. So positive for Godrej Consumer in the long term. Marico has given an update on its Bangladesh operations and has said that the operating conditions in Bangladesh market are gradually improving. So neutral to positive for Marico. Maruti Suzuki has recalled 2,500 units of Alto K10 vehicles over possible defects in the steering gearbox assembly. So neutral to negative for Maruti Suzuki. Phoenix Mills has acquired a land parcel in Coimbatore for 370 crores, so positive for Phoenix Mills. UPL, the Australian High Court, has ruled in favor of its unit Advanta seeds in Australia, so positive for UPL. NTPC has started commercial operations of 60 megawatt capacity at its solar plant in Gujarat, so positive for NTPC as well. In terms of block deals yesterday, so Quant Mutual Fund bought 2.7% stake in Zydus Wellness, so the stock will be in focus, while Small Cap World Fund bought 1.6% stake in the new listing Acom Drugs and Pharma. In terms of the IPO offerings, BrainBees Solutions, that is First Cry, the IPO was subscribed 0.3 times on day 2, and today is the last day. Similarly, Unicommerce eSolutions, the issue was subscribed to 12.2 times on day 2, so strong demand for Unicommerce eSolutions. In terms of insider trades, the promoter has increased its stake in Adani Power, buying 92 lakh shares on 5th August. And in terms of pledge share details, so in Apollo Hospitals, promoter Sunita Reddy has revoked a pledge for 2.5 lakh shares on 5th August. So that's it on the podcast today. Have a nice trading session. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.